You see here the mountains very fresh, and then for me it's helped me a lot when I do Qigong every day. It makes me feel more happy, and my body feel more healthy, and then my mind feel very peaceful. So the Qigong is, when we practice with that, we also generate energy of peace, and also your body very healthy. So why we practice Qigong? So the Qigong means Qi mean the energy of our body. So from within, that is we call the breathing. So when you use the breathing, and also we can generate this kind of energy from the air outside. So that we are on mountain here, it's very good air. So we can breathe and use air outside to practice with that. So this energy can help you to be more healthy. So when we practice Qigong, we raise energy by your breathing, by your awareness and relaxing. The more you relax, the more you have a healing inside of you. So, and also Gong means the cultivate. So when we practice, the more we practice, and you can cultivate the energy of your body and your mind. Make your whole body very joyful and very pleasant. When we do Qigong, it's not only we do the movements, but like you can have opportunities to take care of your body and your mind at the same time. So your body right here, and then you can aware of your breathing. You move around and you aware of your breathing, so in breath and out breath, inhale and exhale. And also you feel the energy moving around. That is, you can cultivate the energy, the vitality, the energy of life. So is there any pain or any sickness or disease inside of your body? You can heal that right away. The more you have relaxing, the more you have healing. So healing and relaxing is kind of like together there. So I just want to remind you that, so you can learn how to do. So just relax the whole body. We breathe in, raise up out your hand like this. So just put your hands in front of you and look straight front. And then just breathe in and out 3 times. You feel from your arms energy, raise energies in front of you. We have good air to breathe, and just breathe and feel free. Right now you hold hand back and push hands beside of you. Look to the left. So when you push out, it's kind of like open your shoulders. Look to the left, breathe for 3 times. So look to the right. You stretch out your arms and your shoulder like this. You also feel very relaxed and pleasant too. You feel energy. Put 2 sides. Right now, breathe in, breathe out. Put your hands up and look up the sky. The sky is very blue up there. And then right now, the rays of energy is on your head around. We do this because we do like this, it makes your body feel like ready, and we can feel the chi and spread out energies, the warmth around the body. Just of this, breathe in, breathe out for 3 times. This breathe in, breathe out 3 times, and then out 3 times the same. Then ready. Breathe in, out.